Book reading part. Nutrition in plants, class lecture 2. Photosynthesis. Definition. The synthesis of organic compounds like glucose from simple inorganic molecules like carbon dioxide and water by the cells of green plants having chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the plant has the ability to prepare its own food with the help of sunlight by using chlorophyll. Okay, so in this they are using the sunlight from the sun and they are converting them into chemical energy. Okay, so by using this chemical energy at last of conversion they will get the glucose as a energy. So this process is called photosynthesis. So the plants has the ability to prepare its own food with the help of photosynthesis, with the help of sunlight by chlorophyll by the process of photosynthesis. In this they are using the sunlight, carbon dioxide, and then finally they will convert that into glucose in order to get energy. Equations. So here 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules are involved in front of sunlight by using chlorophyll, but at last they got energy and also oxygen. Energy means glucose. The formula for glucose is 6,6H12O6. In this, two reactions are formed: light reaction, dark reaction. Light reaction means during the daytime, dark reaction means during the night time. ATP, NADPH2 and O2 are produced in light reaction. CO2 and water are converted into glucose in dark reaction. Photosynthesis requires two things essentially: sunlight. For plants, sun is the basic source of radiant energy. Plant utilize the light in the visible region of solar spectra, electromagnetic spectrum, which comes under the range of 390 nanometer to 680 nanometer. Visible region consists of white light, which is the mixture of 7 lights of different wavelengths. So, sun is the ultimate source of any other organisms, no? So, actually atmosphere covered by sunlight, but the plants cannot take all the sunlight. They can absorb only the light during some ranges. The range is 390 nanometer to 680 nanometer. The 7 light is nothing but the 7 colors, okay, with GR colors. In that, the maximum photosynthesis occurs in red region and the minimum photosynthesis occurs in green region because the plants itself have green in color. Chlorophyll. These are the green pigments present in chloroplast. Okay, so they want to go under the process of photosynthesis means by using the chlorophyll only they are preparing the food. So in the chlorophyll exactly chloroplast is there. That chloroplast is called green color pigment. They are found in green leaves. Suppose already in the class I said no. Suppose there are no green, now what is that? Chromoplast. If it is a green pigment, na chloroplast. If it is any other than green means that is called chromoplast. Example, branches and stem. So in a maximum amount as well as in other green aerial part of plant. Aerial means the part of plants that is on the air. Is nothing but leaf, stem, branches, that everything. There are 6 different types of chlorophyll. There are chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E and bacteriochlorophyll. Chlorophyll A and B are the most commonly found. Besides chlorophyll, certain other pigments also present in plants like. So we said no, the plants that are green in color means chlorophyll is present. Suppose not in green color means some other pigments are present. In carrot is orange in color, no, so carotene is present. Maize, sorghum, orange yellow in color, xanthophyll pigment is present. Blue green algae, brown algae or phycobilins is present. Okay, in this phycobilin is the pigment that is present in blue green algae and brown algae. Raw material for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide. Terrestrial plants means the plants that live on land obtain carbon dioxide from the atmosphere throughout the small opening present on leaves called as stomata. Stomata means a tiny hole on the leaf that we can able to see with the help of microscope. That I already shown the picture in the Class. Stomata are the small pores present on the surface of leaves. They help in exchange of gases and waters. Stomata opening is called guarded by the presence of guard cell. It is a kidney shaped. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plant means the plant that is completely on water. Obtain CO2 dissolved in water through their general body surface. So they perform more photosynthesis than terrestrial plants. Define chlorophyll and its types. These are the green pigments present in chloroplast. They are found in green leaves in a maximum amount as well as in other green aerial part of plants. There are 6 different types of chlorophyll. They are chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E and bacteriochlorophyll. Explain about photosynthesis and its reactions with the neat diagram. The synthesis of organic compounds like glucose from simple inorganic molecules like CO2 and H2O. CO2 means formula for carbon dioxide. H2O means formula for water molecule. So here 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen there in the water. By the cells of green plants having chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is called as photosynthesis. Equation explained in the class. Light reaction. What are produced? ATP, NADPH2 and O2. Okay, so these are produced in light reaction. And dark reaction, CO2 and H2O are converted into energy or glucose in dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in daytime. Dark reaction takes place in nighttime. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. NADPH2 which means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen phosphate. Okay. So this is your assignment questions. Classwork also same. So your handwriting must be neat and clear. Okay. Now worksheet explanation. Write the color for the following pigments and give an example. We said no, carotene. Actually green in color means chlorophyll present. So some other pigments, orange color means and yellow color or any other color means we have said one pigment, no? So that's you think and write. Maximum photosynthesis occurs in dash region and dash is a saprophytic organism. Minimum photosynthesis occurs in dash region. Chloroplast is also called as dash plastid. Okay. I hope you understood these questions. Listen the class carefully. Suppose you got any doubt means you can repeatedly watch the video. You are unable to get the answer means you can ask me. Okay. Plastic here, plastid, chloroplast and light reaction. There the founders. You have to match the correct and find the process. Color other than green pigment in aerial part of the plants is called, or you can say fill in the blanks also. Okay. Atmospheric control and air purification takes place by photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast is called dash reaction. Small opening present on the leaves are called dash. Plants absorb water from the soil by the process is called. Okay. This is your worksheet question. Complete the worksheet properly. Classwork, your handwriting must be clear and neat and complete your home test after learning. I hope this class is useful. The remaining class will be continued.